Hello guys, it's me Paul from PaulTube, and we're gonna play more Minecraft. Woohoo! And yep, we're back to TNT explosions. Now last time we accidentally did 6, but it's fine. I guess we're gonna switch it up to from 5 to 6 now. Because of last video. Well, never mind. Here we go! So yeah, instead of 5 explosions, we're gonna do 6 from now on. Yeah. Or we can do just a few. But I want to do 6 this time. Woohoo! Let's go. Yeah, don't mind that village. Okay. First off, let's see what's the first thing we can build. Wait, was this sheep following the chicken? Oh well. Cheek butt. Oh god. Okay. Yep, this village was absolutely destroyed. Okay, yeah. So now, we've gotta get our good stuff. Gotta get some TNT. Good old TNT. So yeah, let's get some TNT. Oh no. Let's get TNT. Okay. There's the TNT. Now we need a flint and steel. Or we can use a torch, but I want to use a flint and steel. And that's pretty much it for now. So, let's see what we're gonna build. Alright. Okay, so, let me have a think first. How about if I build, I'm thinking here. How about if I build a big... Okay, wait. Let me just have a think about it. So guys, I think I've got an idea. We're gonna make a giant TNT chocolate cake. Oh yeah. Now to make a chocolate cake, we have to make sure it has TNT loaded in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, what? Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. Okay, now, let's keep going. All right. See you later. Well, probably gonna be very short because it's gonna be cut. So yeah. Well, let me just finish this thing first and I'm gonna... Alright guys, so yeah. I am done with this giant chocolate cake. And I also added a big TNT candle on top. And, well, it's also just to get things going. And I also discovered something. Well, maybe not for you guys. But I discovered that brown concrete powder actually falls. Concrete powder actually reacts to gravity. Maybe I've known that before, but I just forgot. Maybe, oh well, never mind. But what really matters is, oh yeah, by the way, I was actually going to use white wool and pink wool to make the candles, but I realized TNT was probably better. So yeah. By the way, this thing is loaded with TNT in the middle. Just take a look at it. It's loaded. That's just like one of lots of TNT blocks. So yeah. And also, now it's time to blow it up. Oh yeah, by the way, I used clay and brown concrete powder. Well, brown terracotta. Oh yeah, it wasn't clay, it was terracotta. Brown terracotta and brown concrete powder to make this. And of course the TNT. And 3, 2, one. Splody time. Oh my goodness. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Horsey. Horsey, get out of there. Horsey. Run, Horsey. Horsey, exploding cake is highly dangerous. Goodness, TNT is flying everywhere. Everyone, look out. Oh. Oh my goodness, everyone. Look out for the TNT. What the? Okay. I thought that didn't ignite. Never mind. This thing made a huge crater. Wow, that is a big crater. Okay, that is one of the biggest craters I've ever seen. Wow. Oh, look, there's a fire. Whoa. Fire. Hot fire. Alright. So, we've still got 5 more splodies to do. Alright. So, let's, how about we make a, ooh, look, there's a sea turtle. Sorry, sea turtle. Oh, God, okay, that's a hot sea turtle. Hot turtle. Get to the water, turtle. Get to the water. Oh, no, I tried to save him. Wait, no, he's still alive. Alright, let's get water. I'm gonna save you, turtle. No, it's too late. Oh, never mind. Let's try this with cow. No, cow. Wait a minute. Cow, okay. Oh God, no, cow's burning. Cow burn. Whew, okay. Just wanted to test something there. Oh well. Now let's get to TNTing. Well, get to continue TNTing. Alright. So next, we're gonna make the TNT snake. Just because it's a TNT snake, it's a giant TNT snake. You know, it's a big TNT snake. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So yeah, guys, here is our TNT snake. Now, where should we blow it? Over here or over where this thing starts? Which is, I think it's over here. Yep, it's over here somewhere. Yep. Okay. So, oh wait, let's get some TNT there in case it missed. Yeah. Hold on. Okay, that's good. I think. Yep, okay. Now, let's wait. No. Okay. Let's blow this thing to smithereens. Oh, yeah. Right. By the way, this thing is really long. Let's blow it from here. Go! TNT snake. Alright, well, let's follow the TNT snake. So it's blowing up all the way here. Past the ocean, through the river. What the? Let's try that again. Take 2. Come on, accidentally clicking out of Minecraft. Alright then, here we go again. TNT exploding all the way. Oh, they just missed the TNT over here. Oh man, this TNT snake isn't working out, is it? We shouldn't have done it near the water. Oh well, never mind. Now it's completely blown up. Oh well, that was still pretty epic. So yeah. Wow. Now let's see what we can build next. Oh wait, look. There is hot lava. It's hot lava. So now I guess we're gonna build a giant TNT. I don't know. Let me think. Let me have a think about that. What should we build? How about if we build a big TNT? I don't know. Wait. Let me have a think about it. So yeah, I think I've got an idea. Let's make a TNT pickaxe. Alright. Or we can just make a sword. Yep, let's make a sword. a TNT sword. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so here's the sword. I know this doesn't look as epic as the cake. Well, maybe it is more epic. But here we go, time to blow it up. Well, let's see what it looks like first. Okay, so this is the blade. This is the handle. I couldn't really match the diamond shape connecting to with the corners, but oh well, never mind. I wanted to make this straight. For some reason, it looks a bit like a Christmas tree. It looks a bit like a palm tree. Wait, not a palm tree. What's it called again? Like a pine cone tree. Pine tree. Is it a pine tree? Yeah, pine tree. Yep. But this is supposed to be a sword, a TNT sword. And 3, 2, 1, go. By the way, I based the design on a diamond sword and other swords. Maybe a diamond sword though. Wow. Okay, that wasn't as epic as I thought it would be. But oh well, never mind. Time for the third one. Alright guys, so here are the rest of the TNT explosions. I've just decided to do the other 4. Just build them all. Yeah. Like not just do it one by one, well just showing you one by one. I'm just gonna show you all of them. Well, I mean I created all of them. You probably get what I mean, right? Yeah, you probably do. So yeah, this is the chicken nuggets. Wait, no. Let's start off with the first one that I made. I mean the third one, technically. So here it is. This is number 3. It's the sign. It's the PoleTube sign presenting my channel. Over here is Super TNT Man. It's a bird, it's a plane. No, it's Super TNT Man. Woo! Alright. This is TNT Island. There's also actually TNT under the water. In case you didn't see that. And again, here is the chicken nuggets. So let's blow it up from let's blow this thing from here, from 3rd to 6th. Okay, here goes number 3. Alright, PoleTube sign. Time to blow! Oh yeah, by the way, it's like double. Oh my goodness. Whoa. That was a big hole. Alright, now it's time for this guy to blow. Alright, so long, TNT Man. The TNT Man, in fact. Now, bye, TNT Island. Alright. Oh, wow. What the? Oh yeah, right, the TNT underwater doesn't ignite too. Oh well, never mind, I'm just gonna have to ignite this. They don't ignite each other when they're in the water for some reason. And that one's gonna blow. Okay. Awesome. So now here is the nugget. Alright, nuggy. Blow! Look at this view over here on this side. Oh, too late. And it has exploded. So, that's all the explosions, guys. See you later. Well, see you next time on PoleTube. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. And also, make sure that you subscribe if you like the video. And also leave a like if you like the video. And yeah, also don't forget to comment and share. And yeah, here, and we're gonna make more episodes. Oh yeah, and also, I'm also gonna send out something. I'm also gonna send out if the person who actually the first 6 comments on this video will win. The first 6 comments on this video, just this video, will be the first 6 comments on this video, the first 6 the first 6 requests on this video will the first 6 requests of TNT builds on this video will be the next TNT builds. Will be the next 6 TNT builds on next episode. On the next TNT episode. Alright guys, here we go. Bye-bye.